Twitter has finally stepped up to the plate by starting to pay its creators. It's time to cash in on Twitter's action. First off, there's proof in the pudding. Just head on over to Twitter and check out those creators who've already cashed in. A cool $20,000 went to this one. Looks like Elon Musk is ushering in some positive change, the kind that makes us all cheer. Money, anyone? The talk of the town is all about this. And naturally, a lot of chatter will surround it. With this game-changing opportunity, there will be a lot of strategies. Finally, the doors are wide open to monetizing your Twitter presence, an area which is previously uncharted. So what's the deal with this enticing incentive to get us all creating content on the platform? Brace yourself, a whopping 97% of the revenue generated by your content is up for grabs. That's the deal until you hit $50,000 in lifetime earnings from all Twitter monetization avenues combined. After crossing that milestone, there's a shift. You still pocket a hefty 80% of the revenue Twitter rakes in. Let's break it down. It's a remarkable deal, especially during the journey of $50,000, where you get an astonishing 97%. Even after, it's a solid 80%. That's leagues ahead of YouTube's offer, which stands at a mere 60%. Take a peek at the sample revenue breakdown if you wish. But the key takeaway is you're banking 97% of the revenue. Trust me, with Twitter's massive traffic and the buzz around monetization, advertisers are flocking to this platform, ready to dish out their cash. It's a sure bet. Now, let's explore if you're eligible for monetization. First, you need to meet a certain criteria. You must be 18 years old and above. A no-brainer. You also have at least 500 followers. It's just 500 followers. Then, you're all set. You can jump in and activate the feature by navigating to your account settings, selecting more, and then hitting monetization. Keep an eye on the eligibility indicator. It will let you know if you're good to go. Now, when it comes to the countries, if yours is on the list, you're golden. For those not on the list, a VPN might be your ticket in. Many countries are covered. So check Twitter's official list for your country. You'll need a Stripe account, the current platform for payouts. They might add more options down the line, but for now, it's Stripe. Just bear in mind, there's a $50 threshold for withdrawals. In short, it's good news all around. You can craft a handful of tweets, rack up the impressions, and you're in business. Subscription money, ad revenue, a generous 97% share awaits you. The traffic on Twitter and the monetization hype make it a prime destination for advertisers. They're gearing up to spend their advertising money here. So if you got a Twitter account, kudos to you. And here's your next move. Scope out TikTok trends, YouTube trends, Instagram trends, even Instagram Reels. Then replicate those successes on Twitter. Crack jokes, share fun facts, share memes, all set to skyrocket those impressions. Transform that attention to cash. Just like any other social media platforms, it's clear that a solid strategy coupled with consistency will be rewarded. As with all platforms. Now, a unique aspect of Twitter is its dual role. It's both a social media platform and a search engine. By tapping into what people are searching for, you can cater to those needs. Solving other problems can become your ticket to higher impressions, views, comments, and likes. The age-old adage holds true here. Helping others get what they want can be the quickest route to your own success. So as a starter tip, explore what's trending on Twitter and craft content that addresses those queries. It's called search-based content, and it's your gateway to building a dedicated audience. Also, bear in mind that running multiple Twitter accounts might be beneficial, each focusing on a specific niche, whether it's weight loss, motivation, or more. Each account should cater to a particular interest. Countless monetized accounts will crop up, designed solely for online money-making via Twitter. So why not be one of those pioneers? Your mission? Create content, mix up images and short videos, share fun facts, and above all, remain consistent and dedicated. The money will flow, especially now during the platform's early stages of monetization. So go on, give it your best shot. You can even explore ghostwriters to help churn out content. But remember, consistency is the key. As with any platform, for extra mileage, tap into Twitter's dual nature. It's not just a social media site, but also a search engine. Dive into user searches and create content that solve their problems. This is where the magic happens. Finally, competition among platforms is a boon for creators. They are all striving to offer better payouts than ever before. If you've ever dreamed of being a creator, now is the golden opportunity. With several possibilities, even TikTok is getting cashing in on the action with its creator funds. Dive in, take part, and claim your slice of the pie. Just remember, as you get started, take a peek at what people are searching for and shape your content to meet those needs. Now, if you reach this point, you're probably feeling that it has provided you with valuable information. I encourage you to consider giving it a thumbs up and potentially subscribing at my channel. So that's it for this video. Like if you like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.